Hi, I'm Kevin, one of the horticulturalists here at the Greenery. And I wanted to talk briefly about a new product that we've got in here now in store. And we're all very excited about it. This is what they call a Vegepod. Very convenient for growing your own herbs and vegetables at home. They come in 3 different sizes, convenient sizes, depending on how much room you have. A great idea for those people that have smaller gardens, don't have the space for a traditional vegetable garden. They can be used on a balcony, providing it gets a reasonable amount of sun. They don't take up a lot of space, and they can be moved. They're on actual little casters, so if need be, you can move them around to suit your situation. Great products for growing a whole range of vegetables, easy to use. They come with a protective cover to keep bugs out, to keep hot sun out, and also to provide a little bit of shade through the hotter weather. They have an inbuilt irrigation system which you just connect up to a traditional garden hose, so it creates water and misting, and they're very lightweight even once they've got potting mixed in them. Very easy to use and very adaptable for a range of herbs and vegetables. I just grabbed a couple of examples for plants that you could use in the Vegepod. You can imagine having this just outside your back door, and you're in the middle of cooking and you need some herbs on hand. You can run out to your Vegepod and be able to pick what you need. There's nothing like fresh herbs or vegetables that have been homegrown. This is Perpetual Spinach. As the name suggests, as the plant grows, you can just pluck off leaves and use them as need be. Things like thyme or tarragon, very easy, hardy plants to grow. They all grow quickly, and a little bit of care, feeding, watering, and they'll reward you for a long period of time. Tough, drought-tolerant plants. Rosemary is very, very good. Again, has a nice scented foliage, nice blue flowers, and can also be used for cooking, and is a favourite on the old roast lamb. Things like basil would be happy growing in the Vegepod. It's a good depth of a base, so it allows you to grow the veggies quite easily. Any of the leafy type greens and things like basil would be another good one for the Vegepod.